Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine. Welcome to Kingdom of House of Forex. And just now, look here, our spike detector software, and people making a lot of money. And look here how this thing works. Just simply see arrow and place trade for spike. This is boom 500, and look here how people making the money. Look here. People are very happy and making a lot of money. Look here, spike killing strategy and very awesome. Just simply follow the arrow and make sure money. This arrow will guide you how to use this and you will make more money. This thing just in $50 and you will make more money. So if someone interested, feel free come and chat. So we will give you this indicator and system so you will make more money. Look here, people making a lot of money. This is very awesome thing. No someone have. This is Profit House property recorded by us, and if you are interested, simply come and purchase this product and change your lifestyle and make more money. Okay, this is our group. Only those have purchased. Once you purchase our product, we'll add you in this group and also we'll make together this thing. Okay, very easy and very awesome thing.